What's going on, retro gaming fans, and welcome back to another episode of Rehab Gaming. So what we have here today is another Nintendo Entertainment System cart where somebody decided to cover the back of it with Sharpie. Now this is just going to be a quick little video of the process of us taking off this Sharpie from the back of the cart. Stay tuned and we'll get right at it. And there you have it. A little bit of time, a little bit of patience, isopropyl alcohol, and a few Q-tips. You can get that magic marker right off of there. So we actually went through 3 Q-tips through our different stages. The first soaking was lifting up most of the ink from the back of the cartridge. Then we went ahead and wiped up all of that ink that was coming off and pooling in the rubbing alcohol. And then we coated it in a second layer of rubbing alcohol and let that set for about 5 minutes or so. And then we came back and we scrubbed a little more on it and got that rubbing alcohol pulled up as soon as it became saturated with the ink. And then we came back with a third Q-tip just to get that remaining ink pulled out of there, applied a little bit of pressure, used a little bit of patience, some elbow grease, and got that magic marker right off the backside of that card. So thank you for joining us as we took more magic marker off of the back of another game cart. And unfortunately, this is going to be a common theme as a collector that you see. You're going to have magic markers on some of your game carts, even if the labels are in really good condition like this one is. This copy of Ice Hockey is in great condition label wise. The board is also in really good condition. The only thing that was really wrong with it is the Sharpie on the backhand side, and then this little issue with the rear label. So without further ado, thanks for stopping by. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up down below. If you'd like to see more of our videos, feel free to subscribe to our channel and also hit that bell notification to make sure you don't miss out on any episodes as they're released. Also, visit our Facebook page at Rehab Gaming YT, where you can get all the information you need to find out about our upcoming videos, our plans, new series that we may be putting out, and also all of the retro video game collector groups that we can possibly join. We have done so on our page. So without further ado, thanks for stopping by, and we hope you have a wonderful day.